Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, I'll continue with some other problems of polynomial. So here we start. Where we have to verify here whether the given polynomial is a zeros of a polynomial or not, with the term indicated against that polynomial. So your first part is Px equals to 3x plus 1, where x equals to 1 by 3. So we have to replace x by 1 by 3. So here we are going to replace x by minus 1 by 3. What will happen? P minus 1 by 3 equals to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So it will become minus 1 plus 1. So this will become 0. So we have to write, yes, it is a 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Right? Then for next part is Px equals to 5x minus pi. In 5x minus pi, we are replacing x by 4 upon 5. So here P 4 upon 5 equals to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 5. So we all know that pi is 22 by 7. So it won't be, this is not equal. So that means this is not a polynomial series. Or we can write here in that way 28 upon 7, 28 minus 22 upon 7. So it will become, just wait, we were here. It will become 6 upon 7. So this is, which is not equals to 0. So that means, therefore, 4 by 5 is not a 0 of a polynomial. Right? Then for next is Px equals to x square minus 1, where x equals to 1 and minus 1. So we have to replace with two values, 1 by 1. So here replacing x by 1. So what will happen? P1 equals to 1 square minus 1. Right? So what will happen here? 1 minus 1. This becomes 0. So yes, this 1 is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, we will write at the end for both after checking both. Now we are replacing x by minus 1. So P minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole square minus 1. It will become 1 minus 1. This is also 0. So now here we can write, therefore 1 and minus 1 are zeros of polynomial x square minus 1, or you can write polynomial Px. Both are correct. Fourth part is Px equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2, where x equals to minus 1 and 2. So 1 by 1 we will replace here, but before replacing I would like to change my ink. Yeah, that I like that. So replacing x by minus 1. Let's see what happens. So P minus 1 equals to minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 and -1 - 3 will become -3. Any number which is multiplying with 0, it gives 0. So this will be 0. And if we are replacing x by 2, what will happen? P2 equals to, here 2 plus 2, sorry, 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this will also become 0. Therefore, minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial EX, right? That you can write. Fifth part of this question is Px equals to x square, and you have to put x equals to 0. So we are replacing here x by 0. So here P0 equals to 0 square, that means 0. So yes, it is 0 is a 0 of polynomial. Yes, that you can write. Now we will go for next part. Next part is Px equals to Lx plus m, where x equals to minus m upon l. So here replacing, what we are going to replace? X by minus m upon l. We have to replace this. In place of x, we will put minus m upon l. So here p minus m upon l equals to l into minus m upon l plus m. So here L will be cancelled. So what will come here? Minus m plus m. So it will become 0. Those will be cancelled. So that means, therefore, minus m upon L is a 0 of polynomial Px. You can write this. Next part is Px equals to 3x square minus 1, and where x equals to minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. So these two you have to put in place of x 1 by 1, and we will see the result, what happens. So here replacing x by minus 1 upon root 3. So P upon root 3 equals to 3 into 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. So what will happen? 3 into 1 upon 3, because my root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So this will be cancelled. So now 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So this is 0. Okay. And now we will replace x by 2 upon root 3. Then what happens? P2 upon root 3 equals to 3x square. So 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. So this will become 3 into 4 upon 3 minus 1. So it will become 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 3. So here we can write, therefore, which is not equals to 0. So you can write minus 1 upon 3 is a 0 of polynomial Px, whereas 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 of polynomial. Right? So this is the question which we have solved. So now next part is px equals to 2x plus 1 and x equals to 1 by 2. So this time we have to replace x by x by 1 by 2. So x by 1 by 2, right? So p1 by 2 will be 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So here 2 will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 2. So this 1 by 2 is not a zero of polynomial px, that you can write.